Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This process will take some time. It will run a scan. In my case, it is already done. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now, once the second scan is complete, you can copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update, scroll down at the bottom, somewhere you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness. At the top, you will see app readiness. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can go back and then try to update Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. Go to Windows Update, go to pause option. Here you can see pause option, hit pause. Once paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077241, and then click on search over here. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Now check your system type. So go to system in Windows settings, scroll down, go to about option, and then check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. Now here you can see for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. And if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download over here. And then click on KB5077241, click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. And then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file and then make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow and then click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, restart your computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.